Hello guys, today I'm going to make something that people do make a lot. It's kind of like a slime. When you punch it, it gets hard, but when you hold it, it kind of gets soft. So that's what I'm gonna be making. So you will need a bowl, any bowl that you don't use really, and you need a table and some corn flour like this one, as you can see. And that's already in this bowl, a spoon or fork, and you need some water. And yeah, so if we get some of this, and then if we pour some of this in. Okay, so some came out, and now we will put some water into this, slowly by slowly, because you don't want it to get hard and straight away, because as you can see when you mix it, it's starting to get kind of hard for me to mix. So I pour a little bit at a time, and if it's too watery, add a little bit of more of your corn flour, and then it will kind of be made. So because if you put too much water, then that's way too much. That's a problem then. So then if you keep on mixing it, as you can see, it's kind of becoming the thing that I want it to be. Comment down below if you know what this is. Yeah, so if you keep on mixing it until all the corn flour is in the water type, yeah, so then as you can see, it's kind of being made when you mix it exactly. So put it into the water, the flour, if it's not being mixed properly. And yeah, so now it says being made, like right here. So as you can see, like right this. So if I pick this up now, it's kind of getting to me. So if I pick this up, it's kind of going down, like this. You see, if it's melting into your hands, then that's kind of what you want. So yeah, if it's too hard, put a little bit of water, don't put too much. So then if you mix it, okay, so now when you pick it up, it starts melting. So that's what you want. You don't want it exactly like hard or soft, because then it won't be like the thing that you want it to be. So look, when I punch it down, so it's fine if I put it. So as you can see, if I punch it, it kind of, it doesn't make a mess into my hands, it just melts in. So if I just put my hands in, as you can see, they're soaking down. So yeah, and if you can feel the bottom, this thing, stuff under it, and then if you pick that up, it'll melt in your hands. Isn't that cool, guys? So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. We need to hit 1 million subscribers. And yeah, just hit and subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna just be playing with this. So yeah, see you next time, guys. Goodbye.